The elevator emergency communication code change is here. All new construction elevators and modernizations require two-way audio, two-way text communication, and one-way video in their elevator cars. The MosaicONE Video and Messaging System by MAD Elevator adds text and video to the traditional elevator phone, creating a full emergency communication solution. Using the 10-inch position indicator with its included infotainment stream and multiple camera options, the MAD system fits into any cab or COP design. Installation is simple. All systems are pre-configured in the MAD factory. Simply connect the car operating panel to power and internet, and you're up and running. The machine room box gets installed in the machine room or hoistway. Connected to this box is internet, 120V power, and 18-gauge twisted shielded pair running to each elevator. In the COP, the 18-gauge TSP from the machine room box lands on a terminal block with 120V power. The camera is either included in the COP, or you can mount the camera externally on the ceiling or in a discrete location with one of our low-profile cameras. Turn on power first to the machine room box, then the COP, and you're done. If the travel is over 60 feet, simply add another 18-gauge TSP to the local communication panel and add power. Battery backup? Don't worry, that's included in our system with no additional parts or installation. No internet or phone? Add an optional cellular modem with VoIP phone line box and eliminate the need to wait for third-party connections. Just add power and connect to the machine room box. Everything is pre-programmed and ready to go. Need to make changes in the field? Simply call our tech support or log into MosaicONE where you have full control over the system configuration. We have you covered in all cases and scenarios. VMS is non-proprietary and compatible with any intercom phone system, any controller, any contractor, and any monitoring station. Our fully secure system is regularly audited by cybersecurity consultants. With A+ ratings from services like Security Scorecard, SSL Labs, and OWASP Top 10, you can be assured you have chosen the solution that has security built in. Trust the only system that's been approved for use in U.S. federal buildings. Running smoothly since 2019 with over 5,000 systems installed, MAD is committed to the development and continuous improvement of the VMS system. Go with a proven, field-tested system and give the best solution to your customer. Get in touch to learn more about the MosaicONE Video and Messaging System. Simple, seamless, superior.